Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to make plant-based vegan cooking, and even with no oil. Just cut up organic zucchini. Just buy it at Trader Joe's. Cut it up, bake it. I don't have a set recipe. I have it on now 400. You can put it on 350. I just bake it now, no oil. I learned from the Ornish programs. I've been teaching yoga and stress management for a few years that you really don't need to bake with oil. So that's about it. And then you put on some pepper. I like this seasoning on my baked zucchini. I think I got it at Target or somewhere. But you can put any kind of seasoning. Nutritional yeast is good for vegans to get B12. So if you have nutritional yeast, you can add that on and it gives kind of a cheesy-ish flavor. Here's nutritional yeast flakes. B12 if you don't eat eggs, because you don't want to kill baby chickens, which is what they do. They kill the male baby chicks the day they're born in grinders because they can't produce eggs for the industry. So if you're eating eggs, know what's behind it. So that's it. And then you bake it. And it's so delicious. Sometimes just 15 to 20 minutes to bake, and that's it. On top, you can even sprinkle some your sprouted lentils, which I just soaked in water overnight from the dried lentils. And then they grew. I rinse them off, and in a day or two you have sprouts, and that's great nutrients, antioxidants, and protein. So just to give you some ideas, get creative and make some simple, easy, plant-based vegan dishes, which if they were your side dish and you eat enough of them, you will be full and you won't need to eat the animals if you were doing that. And it's better for your health also. Hope that helped. Have a great day. Namaste.